Setting meaningful goals involves several steps that help you create clear, achievable, and fulfilling objectives. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting meaningful goals. 1. Reflect on your values. Start by identifying what matters most to you in life, such as relationships, health, personal growth, or career success. 2. Assess your current situation. Take an honest look at where you are now in relation to your values. 3. Identify areas for improvement. Determine what changes you'd like to make or what you want to achieve. 4. Make your goals. Smart, specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Quantify your goal so progress can be tracked. Achievable. Ensure your goal is realistic and attainable. Relevant. Align your goal with your values and priorities. Time-bound. Set a specific deadline or time frame. 5. Write down your goals. Put your goals in writing to make them more concrete and tangible. 6. Create an action plan. Break down larger goals into smaller manageable steps. 7. Track progress and stay accountable. Regularly monitor your progress and share your goals with a trusted friend or mentor for support. 8. Be flexible and adapt. Life changes, and your goals may need to adjust accordingly. 9. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. 10. Stay committed and motivated. Remind yourself why these goals matter to you and find ways to maintain motivation. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting meaningful goals that bring purpose and direction to your life.